How does air conditioner work? Step 1. Heat is absorbed by the evaporator coil. The warm air inside your house is drawn in through a fan and blows over the cold evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is the station located indoors and absorbs heat from the air, cooling the air. A fan blows the cold air into air ducts that distribute it throughout your home. As the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the passing air, it changes from a liquid state to a gaseous state and continues to travel along the loop system toward the compressor. And step 2. Compressor raises the refrigerant temperature. The compressor decreases the gas value. Usually this is done by switching the gas cycle between two solid objects. This raises the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant, preparing it from the condensing process. Step 3. Heat is transferred outside the refrigerant. Now, a superheated vapor reaches the conditioner, which is located outdoors and is exposed to the outside air. The outside air absorbs the heat from the refrigerant, lowering the temperature of the refrigerant and change the state from a gas back into the liquid. Step 4. Refrigerant gets cold. Process repeats. Once the heat from the refrigerant is removed to the outdoors, the cold refrigerant travels back indoors to the evaporator to repeat the process over again. The process continues until the inside temperature of your home reaches your desired level. At this point, your temperature tells your air conditioner to shut off. And that's it for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.